Hey guys, this is Zaman and welcome back to another new video of PowerPoint School. Actually, this video is not about a PowerPoint tutorial, but we have a very big update from Microsoft. Previously, some of you were asking me when the new version of PowerPoint will come out. So there we have a good news. On 24th of this September, Microsoft has officially released their new Office version, which is Microsoft Office 2019. So with this update, we will obviously get to see some new features of PowerPoint. Though I have not tested the new one yet, I get to know from few sources that we will get the morph transition and other Office 365 features in this update. I'm really excited to experience the new PowerPoint 2019 and I'm planning to buy the updated one within 1 or 2 weeks, and then I will share an overall view regarding the updates. So that's all about the new PowerPoint update. Now let's talk about something else. Actually, I was not being able to upload new videos from last few weeks because some of you may know that I was going through some health issues, but with all of your blessings, I am now getting well. So I am back with my work. From now, you'll get regular awesome PowerPoint videos again. And another thing is that PowerPoint School is now a family of more than 200,000 people. Thank you for all of your kind support and love. This really inspires me a lot to give more dedication into my work. As you know, we have our own website, which is powerpointschool.com. I'm trying to bring new updates with new articles and templates as soon as possible. So please visit to our website and let us know what are the changes that we can bring. At the end, let's talk about the new platform of PowerPoint School, which is growing on Udemy. Now we have around 700 students there. As my health was not going well, I was not being able to update this course. But from now, every single week, I will update this course with new videos and templates. So please check it out. I'll provide the link in the description of this video. That's all I want to share today. Again, thank you very much for supporting me and my work. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon to get time-to-time notification from this channel. I hope to see you in the next video with a PowerPoint tutorial, and thanks for watching.